Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to give feedback on Bigo Live. Is it negative or positive? So right now I'm at my profile. So how you get here is you go to the bottom of the screen, and as you can see there are 5 icons. The first one is home, and that will take you to Bigo Live's homepage. The next one is explore, for you to explore any creators, new creators you haven't seen before. The one in the middle is for you yourself to go live. The one next to it, community, is for Bigo Live's community. And the one on the bottom right corner is me, or your profile. So you're gonna click on that one on the bottom right corner and you'll get to here. So as you can see, we have a lot of options here. We have messages, wallet, item bag, my post, task center, activities level, fan groups, ranking, creator center, and feedback. So right under creator center, there's feedback. So we're gonna click on it. And you have here a couple of options about broadcasting, payment, account, report and appeal, more questions, and you have some questions to answer here about your feedback, and that's about it. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.